Hello everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. For today's lesson, I'll be showing you how to take a screenshot on a Windows computer or a laptop. If you're using a laptop, it works the same way as your Windows computer. So there are actually three ways to take a screenshot. The first one, it's the one that I like the most. You press Windows, the Windows button, and then you press Shift, and then you press S. So it's Windows plus Shift plus S, right? You press all of these three buttons, and then you're going to access the snip tools, right? In the snip tools, or you can access the snip tools by going to the search bar, right? And then you type snip. And then these are the you type snip, and then it's snipping tools, right? So here it's another way you can take a screenshot. Access the snip tools, and then it's going to tell you. So you're using the snip tools. You use the first method if you want to take a portion of your screen, not the whole screen. Like if you want to take a screenshot of an image or something, not the entire screen, an image on a website or something, and I'll demonstrate this one for you. So the second method, you press Windows plus PRTSC. PRTSC stands for print screen. You just press Windows and then PRTSC. So this is going to print the entire screen. It's just going to take a screenshot like you do on your smartphone, right? Or you just say PRTSC, or you just press that button. Print screen is just gonna print the entire screen, right? So the other two are quite easy to do. You can do it yourself once you understand that you press Windows plus that one or Windows plus PRTSC. So I will demonstrate the first example because it's the one that it's very, very interesting, that you normally don't get on your phones, right? So this first one, so I'm going to go into a website here. Then I will say images, like we want images. So we're gonna look for images, right? These are some beautiful images. So we'll press our Windows, Shift and then S key. Windows Shift, right? So it's going to be Windows Shift S. Then you access the snip tools, right? So it's going to show us it's a rectangle shape. So we see some of these images are in a rectangular shape, right? So we press it that you want to take a rectangle shape, choose that first part, and then we cover our image. So we have successfully taken the snip, right? Save to clipboard. So we have taken the snip like that. So we only taken a picture of this, not the entire screen. Alright, so to see, so we can then paste this picture here. Then you say Ctrl V to paste, then the image appears here, right? So this is how you take snapshots or pictures or screenshots on your laptop, right? So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe for more content. If you like learning from me, then I'll be teaching you new ways on how to do stuff on your laptop. Right, thank you very much for your time. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe for more content.